is going on? Today, I'm just here. We're doing a little vlog. It's been forever since I've done one of those. I'm actually in the process of starting a new project, which is kind of like conflicting me because I like to hold a lot of thoughts up here and it's hard to translate that elsewhere. So basically the project is, and like I said, this is going to be a process. This is not going to be overnight or anytime soon. So it's coming up on year 2 of us being in this home. So that's awesome. Year 2. But while we have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 house, they did not put a lot of closet space in here. Why would you do that? So we are trying to basically get rid of things that we don't need, as well as to make our spaces more functional. There's 3 levels, so he has the lower level. The main level is the kitchen and the living room and the half bath, and I'm on the upper level. Our bedroom is back there, but I have these 2 rooms because the bottom is like a basement, so there's not any actual rooms. It's just like kind of like divided up in like a studio apartment, and his bathroom is a little bit smaller and he doesn't really have a closet space down there. So we are trying to organize and just become more functional. Y'all, I'm a little nervous to show y'all this room, but don't judge me. I'll show you this room and then we'll go to the next room. How about that? So, oh my God. Y'all better not say nothing about me. Don't talk about me. Oh my goodness. So this is the process of me actually trying to organize right now. I don't know what we're gonna do with this because these are Boo Bear shoes, those are mine. It's just too much going on in here. I did have a shelf there that I just sold on Facebook Marketplace, so that's gone. I'm gonna take the hats down and move my mirror from in the other room in here. Now, as far as the vanity, I'm really debating on getting rid of her. I don't want to, but y'all, we don't have space. Tried to clear some stuff out of there today. So what I plan on doing over here is getting rid of that rack and then that little shelving situation over there. And I'm gonna buy like a wardrobe that goes over there. So this wall is about 75 inches, I believe, 76. So the wardrobe is almost as big as the wall. So all of that's going in there. I'm getting rid of a lot of stuff and in this closet. Look, it's just too much. I don't even touch that stuff, so that's probably gonna get gone because I really don't wear I don't wear this stuff. Need to figure something out about these shoes. Now we do have a separate outside storage, so I'm gonna take all of these bins. Those are nothing but my summer clothes, so those are going out. Y'all, my saxophone's right there. I want to play her, but we just spent all day clearing out the storage. It's not a big one, but a lot of Boo Bear stuff was in there, so he was like, I don't touch this stuff, let's get rid of it. So that's what we did. The main goal for this room is to just make it not look so chaotic. Like, it is too much going on in here. The coats, we don't even have a coat closet here. I'm not complaining at all, just letting y'all know what our current situation is. So since we don't have a coat closet, that is where all of my current clothes go. Not clothes. All of my current coats go. That's a tongue twister, okay? But yeah, getting all of these taken care of. I may try to go through these, but these are pretty much all new coats. So I don't plan on getting rid of none of those, actually. Yeah. It's why moving on to my main room, which is my studio. However, being that it is my studio, it doesn't really feel like a studio. It just feels like an area where I work and get my content done. So let me break it down. So this is what my room currently looks like. Got 2 shelves over here, my sitting area here, my mirror, my little panel wall I did. That's gotta go. It's ugly, it's tacky, I just don't like it. And now here in my closet, if y'all been with me for a while, y'all know I set up this closet system myself. She's a little junky right now, I gotta go through her. Don't judge me. Yeah, I gotta go through all of this too and get her back together. And I love my mirror in here, but I'm actually going to be taking this and moving it to the wall that I just sewed the shelf from. So that's the wall I'm gonna put this at, and I feel like it's really going to give me a lot more filming options in here. That mirror kind of takes away from the different ways that I can actually film because you can see the equipment through the mirror. And that mirror, I love her to death, but I am gonna have to move her to the other room. So this room wholeheartedly will be for me doing my content, hair, beauty, tech content, all of that stuff in here. That's gonna be put into the new wardrobe, so I'm probably gonna sell those 2 shelves. I'm not sure yet, I have to figure it out. Now this area, she is going to remain the same because there's nothing wrong with this area. She functions how she needs to. I can come over here and I can be very productive at my desk setup. If that ain't broke, she's not gonna be fixed. I really haven't done a home tour yet just because so many things are changing. They have changed. nothing has been set since we've been here, so that's why I haven't done that yet. But I'm not gonna say it's coming soon. I'm gonna just drop it out, because y'all, I be saying it's gonna come soon and it don't even come, and I don't want that. Yeah, so the plan is in this room, I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of my sitting area just yet. I have 3 different walls technically. No, I only have 2 walls that I can work from in here. So being this main wall here, this main wall is one that I can work from, and then going in this direction, that's a whole wall in itself. So mirror, you got to go to the next room. But even this will be an angle for me to shoot diagonally, and then I want to have things that really show the leading lines as well. So yeah, so I technically have 3 different angles, and I also need to figure out something with these lights, because I had to take them from room to room and it's not really functional. It's more so like there's cords everywhere. I had to move everything around. I just want to come in here and be able to sit down and film, do what I gotta do, and leave without making a mess. Like, I just need everything to be functional, and what's the word I'm looking for? To be functional and also minimal as well. So the plan is to get rid of this. For sure. I'm going to get another desk, but a rising desk to put over here. May lift my TV up a little bit more, I'm not sure. And then I'm gonna have a chair. Those shelves will be gone, and I need to come up with a very nice theme. Ooh, I just need a nice theme, and I'm struggling. For this room, that wall, and then I need a nice theme for this wall, because Pano is not going anywhere. She's built in. I thought about bringing my plant back up here and putting her right there, because I feel like that would be a nice shot looking that way. I don't know. Then part of me decided or thought about painting this wall black right here, since the panels are kind of black, because that can be like a whole different background. But I don't know. That's where I'm at. But first order of business is I'm gonna start going through and throwing away and making a giveaway bag for the stuff that I don't want anymore. I have to clear stuff out before I can even get started with anything else. So let's get to that. I honestly don't know if I can get rid of this vanity, because like literally there's so much makeup that lives in there. I'm getting a little overwhelmed, so I'm trying to take it a step at a time. So let's get back to it. cleared for now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out as well. The closet is packed down again, but only until I get the wardrobe in. I haven't ordered it just yet because I need to make sure that I can get the one that I want. So as soon as I get that wardrobe in, I'll start moving that stuff into the wardrobe and organizing this closet a little bit better. It's just full. We're gonna close that for now because she's doing a lot. Close her, okay. Probably gonna sell this on Facebook. It'll probably go for like $10, but hey, $10 is $10. I am getting more organized this year for 2025. I actually have a video planned on that, so stay tuned for that. I'll get rid of more stuff at a later date, but for now, let's tackle that mirror. And I'm not even gonna bother selling this. It's not really secure, it's not really stable. I'm not gonna waste my time on that. And I've got some purses in here that I'm probably just gonna get away. It was easier for me to give away things this year because my style has changed so much, y'all. If you've been keeping up with me on IG and TikTok, mainly IG, my fashion has significantly changed from years ago. And the tomboy in me is still here. I don't know, I just feel a little bit more like I just want to be grown and sexy. That's just what 2024 was. Grown and sexy Keke, and she's continuing this year. So it's been easier to part with like things that don't match that vibe. I can be a slight, not a hoarder to where I can't like walk around, but it's hard for me to like let stuff go. So this year is all about letting stuff that does not serve me go. That is what I'm doing. So it has been a lot easier to do that since I shifted my perspective. But like this purse, like what are we doing holding on to this? What? Girl, bye. This, she's cute, but she don't match the vibe anymore. Maybe 2018 Keke, but why have I been hanging on for her this long and I haven't worn her since? You know, she gotta go. Now this boho bag, I think I might keep her because I like a little boho moment. I don't know. This don't give me grown and sexy. This gives me fun and flirty. I haven't even carried this. Goodbye. Now I'm keeping this. This is my little Disney bag. So when we go to Disney, I gotta have her. This, I thrifted, but I don't really like this anymore. So I think I'm gonna return her back to the thrift world at Goodwill. Y'all, I have had this literally since I lived in Charlotte. Like, what was that? Up until 2017, 2014 to 2017. Haven't carried it once. Goodbye. Okay, so I'll hang on to these two for now. And y'all, this wall is clear. We did that. For that, we're gonna tackle that at a later date. I'm gonna go ahead and take this stuff down, and it's time to cook because I'm hungry. Thank you, honey. I know. Oh, Granny had sent us photos of Lawrence with the kids. So go through my phone, go through Granny messages. It's like 200 and something photos though. Dinner was delicious. Oh my goodness. I love almond flour tortillas. Those are my new thing. And they're healthier. So I love how it came out. It tasted great. The plate was cleared. I'm still working on the beans though. But we're just now gonna Netflix and chill because the night is coming to an end. We like to wind down. So I'll end the vlog here, but let me know if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if also you want to continue seeing the process, because now that that is clear, I'm going to start shifting more stuff around and selling stuff on Facebook. So if you haven't already done so, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from me. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.